First, take the piece with the 3 holes in the end and insert the bolts into the 2 outer holes. The bolt heads should be facing the inside of the piece. Make sure the washers are underneath the bolt heads. Then, lay the second piece on top of the piece with the bolts in it. You will use the second piece to help sandwich the bolts so they don't fall out as you're sliding the insert into the Knaack box. As you slide the insert into the Knaack box, make sure you're holding it so the bolts are sandwiched and don't fall out. The bolts should go through the corresponding holes at the back of the insert pocket.